This is my spare tire. If it's too slick, I'll just have to turn around. It feels like just ice right there. No steering. At least the scraper and the sun melted off some of it.
I don't like that right there.
Isn't it? It's always a ditch line just in case.
Somebody walked up here.
And there's valley to determine whether I can get up the rest of the way or not right here. Or if we're stuck here. We'll stop here. You don't need to know why. I'm just going to try it. Or if we're stuck here. We'll stop here. You don't need to know why. I'm just going to try it. Don't feel too bad. Don't feel too bad. That's gonna be slicker than crap right here though. Packed ice. Our gazebo, the roof's all torn off, the walls are torn off. Hot tub's too heavy to move, but the rest of it's all torn off the crap. Ginger, even mean. Never heard that in my entire life. Ginger. He's making fun of Eli or something, the way his hair was looking that day. It was awfully red.
Too bad we don't.
Always got a it's a backhoe's always got. He don't have a bobcat that I know of.
I know we're talking about his back road. Too bad he don't have it open. More people walking.
Yeah. I don't recognize him, but yeah. This is good down here. Oh shit, yeah, turn the wheel drive off. It's hard to believe the altitude changed that much, ain't it?
Yeah. Looks like those people haven't made it home yet.
It wouldn't, it's completely blacktop. Nobody believe what's even going on. What? Slick spot there. I'm still on two-wheel drive. I'll just roll straight through it. Won't have any steering.
I just hope there's not a bunch of cars on the road.
I got the winch, I got the hoist, I got the sledgehammer. I don't care. You don't leave your car parked in the middle of the road.
Oh my God, they're right there.
It's unbelievable how bad they got so quick. I was literally hooking up the other stove. I see it was flurrying, but I didn't know it was sticking to the roads and everything.
I walked out of my work and it was just barely, oh man. Is that one that made it up past us before?
Probably the one that shot past us last night going, yeah, look at the guy with the tractor. Yeah, look at you in your Jeep.
Wow. North Carolina tags.
Not gonna make it, huh? Well, I made it.
Yeah.
You didn't make it?
That ain't good. But it was barely just a little bit of flurries, and I thought, huh, that's strange. Wasn't expecting that.
That's ice right there. I gotta slow down.
Yeah.
Then go back into four-wheel drive before we hit the next patch. Yeah, not good. I need to stop. That's ice. All right, I got four-wheel drive back.
Wish they salted this.
Well, yeah, I don't know. No, I guess everybody thinks somebody else is gonna call. Told a lady on the hill. I told like 4 people. Look at that. There's a good wreck right there.
Oh my God.
I told like 4 people in the last couple of days. You need to call the county. And look, no one's called the county.
There's people walking.
Looks like she might be hurt. Because her car's kind of mangulated.
Oh my God. I wonder if that just happened.
I think so. Taking pictures?
No, yeah, but I'm going to ask if they're okay.
Look for the driver. I don't see a driver in the car.
Oh, that ain't good, man. Oh, it dies.
Move, Cal. That's right.
Okay.
You're a deer in the headlights.
Mm-hmm. You guys okay?
Where?
Oh, well, I don't have anywhere to put you.
She can't even walk.
Did you just wreck?
No, that's not
Oh,
a left our truck out there last night.
yeah, mine's down at the church. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a pile. There's all this. The back's full of tools back here. If you want to ride in the back, you can, but it's full of.
We just put the trash in the back if you can find a way to get around it.
It's up to you. The back seat's full of tools, completely full.
You want to try it?
Yeah, because I don't think we can make it down. He can make it down. I don't think we can.
I'm hoping we can make it down.
Can we fit?
This is all
You
tools.
guys haven't tried
The
going down?
back is.
That's
No,
just
this
last
is the
night.
first time.
Oh my God. I don't know if we should try. Well, I'm
You
afraid
want me to
of-
walk and let them?
No.
Shit.
I'd rather walk from this point.
I'm driving.
Okay, but I'd rather walk from this point.
Walk on then.
Okay.
It's up to you. I'm driving on.
That makes me scared.
No, it's up to you.
All right.
In fact, I might turn around and go back the other way.
Well, I'll be right here if you do. I'm not sure he's even going to risk it at this point. We didn't think it was as bad still. Yeah.
I'm gonna go down and see how bad it is.
Okay. He's going to try to go down.
These freaking Facebook and people. Oh my God. She started that crap last night. That guy in that Jeep said you can't drive a tractor up down this road. Well, the guy in the Jeep's on the side of the ditch right now, and I went down and got you and came back last night. So I'm gonna go up here and eyeball and see what's going on up here. Just stay back there, you non-believers. I'm gonna eyeball it myself. And because I've asked Pam to call the county twice and she's not done it yet, I refuse to do it. I've got the winch and the salt and everything I need. I'm gonna park right here in this semi. I'm gonna park my truck in the grass. I know I can get out grass. What about this road? Park my tires in the grass. That means I got two of them with traction. I got a rope tied across that little truck right there. You can watch this. Watch the non-believers. Turn my camera so you can see better. They're sliding and busting their butts. You don't come into the mountains without a winch and salt and chains and. Let's see, 3, 4 healthy good boys right there. Maybe they can push it, whatever it is, Toyota sideways. I see a rope tied from the Jeep in front of me to the. Now there's 5 men there. They can push that car sideways across a sheet of ice. Oh, there it goes. Well, there's someone driving still, and just ran over top the winch cable. And they got stuck. They're literally on top of the winch cable, bound up like an air brake. It's pinched up on the passenger side front tire tight. I have to back up, move the cable out of the way. I'll just watch. You can watch and see what I'm seeing. There it goes. Now it's free. There goes the vehicle sideways now. So we're watching the remnants of the tourists. This one looks from, I can't read it. What's it say? West Virginia? I don't know, it's covered up. He's from West Virginia. He's on a sheet of ice. He's not going to be able to pull that little Toyota up the hill. And the Honda behind him is all-wheel drive, but they're behind everybody. So they're detaching the winch now, as you can see. Chances are that silver truck's gonna, if you don't back up, I'm gonna have to hurry up and back up because he'll slide into me. Once the road's tilted in this direction, he'll slide right into me if you don't just back up. If I start seeing him roll towards me, I'm gonna back up quickly if I can, so he don't hit me. Sit here and watch a second. I prefer to go straight. I'll sit here and watch and see. He's rolling the winch back in, as you can see. The people on the silver truck back there, whatever that was, Toyota, it's so slippery right there, and they can't even stand on their own 2 feet that hold onto the side of the vehicle. So let's see what happens here. I think the silver Toyota, where the boy's standing there, is going to slide backwards into the pole off the edge there. I think the Jeep's going to go into the grass line, but he'll stop because there's just grass. He won't get stuck there. I don't know what that means. Join. I'm learning how this works. In fact, I just tried to log in on a second phone on my TikTok account. I don't know if I did something wrong. I guess you can only have one phone broadcast per account. I was just trying to log in, but it won't mine wouldn't let me log in as a second account on another phone. So I don't know if you can do it or not. I have to read some help book somewhere on this. So I want to drop this phone you're viewing from into the camera housing today. Oh, look, the brakes are on. They're just sliding backwards. There they go. All 4 of them tires are completely locked up. Look, they're not moving. Slide. They're hanging on to the mirrors. That ain't gonna help them. They're hanging on to the... Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. Well, the guy even stopped sliding before he went off into the river right there. It's about an 8-foot drop right there. He's sliding sideways. Dude, just put it in reverse. Just have the front, the boys push your front end because you're going to go that way anyway. The motor's heavier than the back end. Just push the motor downhill. It'll roll into place all by itself. There you go. Even though the gravity's just doing all the work for him. There you go. Sparkies. There you go. Just push that motor. The ice is doing it all for you anyway. So we all got to make it across that patch. And I don't have any salt or sand with me. I can always back up if I have to and go across the other way. Just watching the circus. There's Troy. There's Troy right there, ain't it?
I'm not sure.
I don't have any salt or sand with me though.
They're spinning this car around on.
They're pushing aside. Is that Troy?
Like Troy.
That's Troy's head. I think it's Troy's little head. Yeah, that's him. What? Is that Troy or is that the guy from the 2 houses down? The truck driver. This is one of the 3 hills everybody's playing bumper car on last night. Pinball on. So they got one little handicapped lady in there. I didn't see her. Double crutches, so it would be what I'm watching oh, the ankles are folding back under themselves. So that'd be polio, wouldn't it? Guess they don't have their little polio braces, I guess. It's the only time I've seen people's ankles fold back under themselves like that and they have a double crutch like that. I guess Pam's trying to walk down to her car. It's down another quarter mile. See what the Jeeper does. First he's going to shoot to the right. He's on a sheet of ice. Gravity's on guide. He's going to have to shoot to the right. Ain't nothing he can do about it. If I didn't have a bald tire back here, I'd take all my little box of 1/4-inch screws and sink them into the tire treads. The instant stud tires, they do work perfectly fine. I've done it back in Ohio a few times. You do just fine. You lose them as you drive down the road, but you have great traction on the snow and ice. Don't hurt your tires at all. I like the Jeepers sliding a little bit. I think they ran over Pam. She walked right in front of that vehicle. Nope, that's how she got past there. She's walking on, looks like. Nice communication here. So we left her car parked right down the street. It's on all-wheel drive. There's so many errors on the engine code, all-wheel drive will not engage. So I said, give me a button, a mechanical button, so I can turn my all-wheel drive on and off. I like the car, I love the way it handles. It's the best handling car I've seen for snow and ice. And she's wrecked it twice and stuff, just like, well, on this road, in fact. I'm trying to drive on pure ice. No one can drive, you can't walk on pure ice. And she tried to drive it. The guy in front of me, his name is, he's my neighbor. His name is Gary. He's facing us now from the other road over there, which you probably can't see. He just came down right there in a little gray truck there now. Jeepers on too much of an incline, downhill, and to the right. The lady in the pink will get slid over, so the Jeep's going to yank itself towards her, just the way gravity does things. The Jeep should have slid towards that lady. He must have studs in his tires, and I just don't see him from here. The ditch line is not that bad over there on that side. So if I lose control, I'll just hit the ditch and just keep on going. Ain't no big deal. There's the only smart thing that guy's done. Turn around, go back. And now he's parked in everybody's way. They're brilliance. Everybody's going to hit him on the way down now. Like all these cars behind us you just saw. Unless he's going to say thanks or something. So you're watching that live. This is where I live. Every time it snows, this happens. It's not one single person has called the county garage, and they close in 2 hours, or it would be salted on a county road. Everybody wants to have somebody else do it for them. Oh, there goes a little polio person. Shit. Look, nobody can stand right there. Why didn't they have their hands on that person? Help that person. Because his ankles are folded back in on his... His knees are together, his ankles are folded the wrong direction. That must be polio. Now they're helping him. What do I call him? So I've done this for 23 years. I want people to step up for themselves. And yet no one does. I'm the only one that came through here in the fires of 2016 and cut these people out too. The fire department called me a suicide man because I went through this, drove down through here and this is all on fire. Cutting these people out one by one. They said, I'll burn to death. Well, I didn't burn to death. In fact, they made a movie about me. Took my body cam. I had a DVR right here at the time. It actually worked. Took my body cam because I still work in corporate security in Dayton, Ohio, and a DVR in my truck. They made a movie called SurvivingGatlinburg.com. It's free. It's free to watch. It was first done by HBO. Then they put that guy in jail because he did something with somebody's kid or whatever, little boy or something. Then it was re-edited by Infinity. Infinity made it free. That's a contract, I said. I won't ever charge nobody nothing. Watch this. So I tried to make money out of people's misery. I said, keep it free or take me out of it. So they did. It's called SurvivingGatlinburg.com. Totally free. You can watch me drive up and down this road in this truck from 2016. Cutting people out. saving their asses. Cause here again, no one wants to do anything. No one wants to carry a chainsaw. No one wants to carry chains. No one wants to carry winches. No one wants to carry salt. They want someone else to do it for them. That's just the hard, cold truth. People are just downright lazy. Even though we got a straight shot down through there, I'm still thinking, let everybody get out of the way. Let's see how slick it gets. Should I back up? I see Gary Guys right there in front of me. Get all these people out of the way. I'm going to evaluate it by hand and see what it looks like. Let's see how it looks before I take this chance. Are you? Are you guys renters or are you my neighbors? Oh, I've had so many neighbors pulling here lately. I didn't know who's who anymore. That little car's doing good. I like that. What is that? Chevy what? That little car's doing good. Chevy Malibu?
Yeah.
Two-wheel drive?
I don't know, maybe, no.
There's no way it's not four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I missed. Oh, that's not Mr. Gary. See you, buddy. Are you stuck down here?
My car here.
I've got equipment with me. Don't get too close to me. It's right here in front of me is a sheet of ice. I can't even walk on
The
it.
Tahoe. I'm here.
All right. There's no. Oh, down there, the white one?
Oh my God.
The van?
My car not here?
I don't know. I don't see anything, buddy.
Yeah, this is my car. This.
Oh, you're not in bad shape right there.
This is in the.
Are you stuck?
Yeah, in the Tahoe.
How are you stuck there?
This is yesterday in the
Oh, yeah.
8:30. no open. No this.
Yeah, I drove through here with a tractor. Everybody's like, "Oh, you're gonna get stuck."
Yeah.
Now they're all sideways.
Too much problem.
Well, see if you can get out. If not, I'll pull you out.
Yeah, this is my car right now. Maybe no problem.
See if there's no way he's stuck. Just put it in reverse, just back up and be unstuck. You're okay, man. You're okay. Yeah, he's not stuck. That guy right over that guy's mailbox there, I think he's stuck. This is probably Mennonites or a church bus here. Let's see what's going on here. I can pull them out if I need to. It's like you're okay here. It was just last night got you. It was when it's so bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're okay there. You can pull right out there. Or you can back up either way.
Yeah, maybe in the back a little bit.
Yeah. I'll sit here until you get out of there if you want me to.
Yeah. No problem.
You won't have any problem.
No.
If you start sliding, just go backwards. So you're okay?
Thank you, bro.
Alright, let's get on down through here. Alright. Well, you saw it. This is a typical occurrence down here on this road. Going out of four-wheel drive. Two-wheel drive. This happens every time it snows. Well, like that anyway. They're talking about the explosions right down here. All these cars just parked here at this parking lot. Their bumpers were exploding and launching across the street like, I don't know, like torpedoes. That's how hot it was down here. Everything, all these houses burned down. I was driving through them. Well, watch the movie. It's free. There's Pam. She made it down here now. All right, I still got a whole load of trash to haul off. I'm gonna haul the trash off.
Okay, I'm gonna go, I guess, get a little more gas and I don't know, what do you think?
I'm gonna get out of this guy's way.
It looks like that spot.
I'm
where
not
they're
gonna
sitting
I'm
at
not
is-
gonna come back up that way. It'll be iced over in the next half hour. That guy had chains. I wonder why he couldn't get up.
Wow. In a Prius.
Mhm.
Chains on a Prius, that's interesting.
So I'll come back across the East Kings Branch, right, you know, over there. But I'm gonna get some. You all right with me? I'm gonna get some diesel and haul off the trash.
Well, let me get what groceries I need to out of the car so I...
All these people's getting through here. They're gonna start wrecking. We won't be able to get back through here.
I know, so what do you want me to do?
Get your groceries. We'll get some gas and haul off the trash. We got about 45, you know, maybe an hour before it freezes back over. Then everybody's stuck again. Alright guys, this is the end of the road. The spur's right ahead. I guess we can run through the tunnel and see how bad it looks. It looks like we did leave a bag of potato chips and a can of corn there. Ah, I got her up the hill though. Last night. Feel bad for some of the people, but at least their cars ain't tore up.
I don't know about that Jeep and that other SUV.
I just got past us last night saying we wouldn't get up the hill. Now look at him. He ain't got a transfer. He ain't got a bottom. There's no bottom in that car. That Jeep.
Those Indian guys, I think, if they're the one in the
Church van thing,
yeah,
or whatever it is, tour van.
or in that one SUV. That lovely car. Still on the way back. I don't know if Kings Branch would be safe to go.
I didn't slide too much, but I did slide some. That last little curve we just came around is just a sheet of ice.
Yeah.
Everybody's been doing burnouts on it so much, it's just polished ice now. That's worse than ice. Down here you can't tell there's even any snow going on.
Yeah.
People have no clue. Just the altitude. mountains down here, on the hillsides down here. One little, that's not even snow. It's just spray paint. You can't even see any snow down here. I know the big landfill's closed, so I have to go over by the high school. But you know, if anybody, even one person would have called it and that thing salted it as crispy right now, I did on East Kings Branch. That's all county too. The Jeeper did pretty good. Did he have studs in his tires? I couldn't tell. I forgot to look. They could drove back by. Tractor down, rip it nice apart. This Great Bar Road, especially up there at the top, because there's nothing done up there. Set the backhoe tear apart the blacktop a little bit, like I did last night, so I have something to drive back on. You know that road right there is a disaster. Losing his trash bags. Park rate.
Have it cleaner, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah. Will you look up severe solid waste?
You have reached the Sevier County Schools Transportation Department.
What the hell did the school?
Well, that's close to that. I need looking for the school, but it's a landfill over by the school. See if they're even open. So I've got to drive all the other side of town and then be closed again. He might be closed today too. It's supposed to be open till 6, but with the weather, I don't know. He wasn't open yesterday. I tried. It's the only thing I did yesterday. Hold on. Well, I tried. It's still in the truck. I don't know what it's even called. Sevierville dump site. It's got to be the one by the school. It's not the Rumpke one, or not the. It's not the big one. I don't know. You might not even have a phone number there.
Tiger Drive.
That was called. That sounds right.
Pigeon Forge, Tiger Drive.
That sounds like the school. Tiger. That might be it. Have a picture of it? No.
No, it just says.
Let's call them, see if they're open, or he might tell you if it's
There's
closed.
no phone number.
He probably ain't got a phone there. That's alright. We'll be there in a little while. We'll be there shortly. There much traffic. I wish I had more tread in my tires. I'd stop up here at the hardware store and get a couple of little 250 or 250 of those little quarter-inch metal screws. I told you I used to use a Senko. I screw in all my tires. It don't hurt nothing. As long as you stay on the tread walls. But that ball tire, it will just rupture it. Then we just go right out through there, any speed we want. No slipping, sliding, nothing. Everybody else around you for the next couple of weeks gets flat tires though, because they puncture everybody's tires. I used to do that when I worked at Senko. That was a nasty, horrible hill. Maybe even a little bit steeper than the one we just came down. I'd say it probably was steeper, in fact. It would ice over at night like that on third shift. Worked every time.
County Garage.
Yes, ma'am. Is there somewhere I can call to find out if they're able to salt the area I'm in?
And what area are you in, honey?
Smoke Rise Drive off of Beach Branch, off the spur. Smoke Rise, that's one word, Smoke Rise.
Smoke Rise?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we'll put that on the list, honey, for the guys.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, dear.
Bye-bye.
That was good, Pam. Probably saved half the people's lives. See the little boy with polio back there? His legs are all boogered
Yes,
up.
I saw him.
They let him fall twice. No one had their hands on him. I thought it was an old man until I got a better view of him. This little boy, well, teenager. And he was trying to hold himself up. He had both his crutches out, and his knees were completely physically together. His ankles were just bent the whole wrong way. That's the only thing I know causes that. You just don't hear about that anymore nowadays. It's all been cured. We'll go to work? Here's your work?
Absolutely not.
There's nobody there, but actually there is. I see him now.
Yeah.
There's no customers hardly, but the employees are all lined up on the side.
Somebody's riding that stupid ride.
They ain't gonna see anything. Their eyes will be teared up from the water, from the air. I came down through here yesterday morning, got my breakfast, tried to go to work. The boys didn't want to work. It's too cold, and they saw the storm coming, so I went back home. I went to the landfill up here and tried to throw away 2 big bags of trash. Well, all the trash is back there. Now we got 6 bags. And somebody had dropped off their trash in the road. There's nothing I could do. It's in the center of the center of the center. And I can't walk out and get hit. I can't get out of the truck without getting it. I just ran over it. That's all I could do.
I have a doctor's appointment in Knoxville tomorrow that I absolutely cannot miss. So I hope it keeps warming up.
Come on, guys. We got all the circus animals out here. Nobody moves at all. I wonder if I should take the back roads. Probably should. If I can get across. Let me eyeball it ahead. See what we see up here. Come on. Probably do back roads. I don't know. Yeah. I think it will. I don't know. It's like when they stop letting everybody cut in, traffic's flowing. Be all over the place if they close the landfills. or drunk. Alright, let's start eyeballing these trucks coming out of here. It's like they're empty coming out. Yeah, looks like it's open. I don't see anybody hauling trash back out, so they must be open. You want to go to the bank?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fill up the diesel can and gonna rip the ice apart with the backhoe again, like I did last night. Just drop the backhoe and rip, just scratch the blacktop a little bit, not too hard. Rip it apart, so the ice is off. That way to melt some. Unless they get out there and salt before I get there. I mean, that was good. Maybe it'll be done. See, if people don't call, they don't do it. They just won't do it no more. That'll give you a safe ride tomorrow if you have to go to the hospital, because it'll be crispy dry after they see all the wrecks everywhere on the road. They'll salt the crap out of it. Which one's got less? This one over here. He's been fishing. No, here it goes. There goes the trash gonna fall out.
Thank you. Just pulling out.
This is probably house cleaners over here and want to had their choice of lanes, and that just ain't the way I do things. I pick a lane and walk or drive. That's the county commissioner right there. He actually works here. You know who he is? Look at him. He actually works here. Hey buddy, good to see you. Unlike yesterday.
Never pay your post, baby.
Oh, is that full? Everything's full?
Pine Mountain. Oh, wait a minute.
Wherever top the tunnel, but at the top there. Tractor did good though. That's it. Get some diesel. I'll see you again. Thank you.
Have a good New Year when I don't see you.
I hope to see you before then.
Keep your eye trouble.
Yeah.
Whatever you say.
Thank you. He won the election. He's the commissioner, and he's not so arrogant and stuck up, but he still works here. I like that. That's just I just like that. So I don't think it's even a paying job here. I respect the person for doing that.
Pretty sure it's a paid job.
The commissioner's job is. He said that he's got word from the county they're going to close like the rest of the week. If I understood, is that what he said? The rest of the week because of the snow? The machines are so noisy I couldn't really hear. You can't even see there's no snow down here at all. People have no idea what it's like up there. I'm gonna shut this down before it airs. It aired on me the other day, remember? I can't see it. I'll get the stoplight. I mean, I found the video, but it's not the best quality. It was like a buffered version of the video. nowhere near as razor sharp as the camera itself is. But it's still posted. It just don't look very good. From last night in the snow.
Yeah.
Well, I guess razor sharp there. Now if that place down there was open, I'd go down there and get a nice little quick meal. Let's get the crazy lane and work our way over. I'm dropping behind him. I can match a hole and go cross country. See if I can get in there. I think he's gonna let me do it. He might not. Just push my way in. Go cross country. Stay out of traffic.
That ain't gonna get you to the bank.
Is that where? No, I'll come across the stoplight by the pool. It's the same one Michael Tony used too. Let's shut this down.